When setting up a conveyor with H-stands, make sure to check first that you have all of the necessary tools for installation. You will need the conveyors and supports, as well as fasteners and tools to tighten everything down. Concrete anchor bolts are an option. Start by assembling your supports to the top of stand height that you require, and then place the supports in line so that the distance between them matches the length of your conveyor units. Lift your first conveyor into place, lining up the holes on the bottom flange of the conveyor with the holes on the top of the support bracket. With this style of support, one H-stand can bridge two conveyor sections, so when putting your unit into place, make sure to attach the unit so that the support can be shared with the next conveyor in line. Bolt down your units to the supports. Once the first conveyor is bolted down, lift the next unit in line and repeat the steps necessary to attach the conveyor to the stand. Repeat down the line, making sure to bolt each conveyor to the support before moving on to the next conveyor section. Once everything is tightened down, check the flow of product to see if any necessary changes need to be made. If everything flows correctly, now would be the time that you would anchor bolt the supports to the floor if required.